You wake up in the morning, you pray your salah, you go to work, you spend time with your family, you pray again 5 times a day. Yet still, deep inside your heart, something feels missing. Life feels repetitive, sometimes even boring. And you ask yourself, what is the purpose of my life? Around you, negativity keeps growing. Whispers of Shaytaan pull you towards doubts. Your health struggles, family responsibilities, the stress of money, all of it piles up and your heart feels restless. But here's the truth. The solution to all of this has already been given to us. It's in the Qur'an. Many times we stay so busy, or Shaytaan deceives us, making us think, you're not a Hafiz, you don't know Arabic, why even open the Qur'an? But listen carefully. Even if you start with just 2 lines a day, reading with meaning, maybe at first you'll have to push yourself, but slowly Allah will light up your heart with His nur. You will feel a sweetness, a calmness you've never felt before. And as the light of Qur'an enters your soul, you'll see Allah's mercy in every part of your life. But that first step, you must take yourself. This fight against laziness, against Shaytaan's whispers, this is the real of the self. Let's be real. Life today isn't easy. Some days the bills keep piling up. Some days family responsibilities drain all your energy. Some nights your health keeps you awake, and other days it's just the noise of the world, social media, negativity, comparisons, endless distractions. And in all of this, you still try. You pray your salah, you fast in Ramadan. But sometimes you still feel empty. Your heart whispers, why do I still feel restless? And that's when Shaytaan steps in. He whispers, you're too busy. You can read Qur'an later. Days turn into weeks, weeks into months, and before you know it, your soul feels disconnected. But Allah warns us, and whoever turns away from my remembrance, indeed, he will have a depressed life. And at the same time, Allah gives us hope. Whoever is mindful of Allah, He will make for him a way out and will provide for him from where he could never imagine. So even in your busiest days, if you make time for Allah, He will fill your life with barakah, peace, and blessings you never expected. But if you don't, life only feels heavier and emptier. Let me share with you a story. A young man once said, I had everything, a good job, money, friends, but inside I was empty. One day he opened the Qur'an for the very first time and read the verse, verily in the remembrance of Allah do hearts find rest, Surah Ar-Ra'd 13:28. He said, those words changed me. For the first time I felt peace, not from wealth, not from people, but from Allah's words. And from that day, his life was never the same. He began to live with purpose. He began to pray with sincerity, and he finally smiled with true happiness. My brothers and sisters, the Qur'an is not far from you. It's right there, waiting for you to open it. Don't just read it in Arabic without meaning. Read the translation. Reflect on the verses. Ask yourself, what is Allah teaching me here? Allah promises us. And we have certainly made the Qur'an easy for remembrance. So is there any who will remember? Surah Al-Qamar 54:17. The Qur'an is not just for scholars. It's for you. It's for your pain, your stress, your journey in this world. So today, make a promise to not only recite, but to understand. Because the more you understand the Qur'an, the more you will understand yourself. Allah says, indeed, this Qur'an guides to that which is most just and upright, and gives glad tidings to the believers. Surah Al-Isra 17:9. And when you hold on to it, you'll realize you were never lost, because Allah's words were always guiding you.